There are multiple reasons why I've settled on this particular SSD. In fact, I've bought multiple copies of it now for multiple uses, including using in a Mac Mini as well as recording video into an Atomos recorder. This is the SSD I use now for all those applications. And I mean, let's just get into it. It's super reliable. It can handle sustained write speeds, where some SSDs, they might claim a higher write speed, but they can't sustain it. So because of the technology inside this SSD, it has this Encache version 2.0, it's actually able to sustain high write speeds, and I've tested this by shooting in something called ProRes RAW, high quality, into an Atomos Ninja 5 recorder, and this doesn't skip a beat. It records perfectly, flawlessly, without error. So I've tried other drives, and you get that dreaded kangaroo symbol where things aren't just keeping up. And when you're on a professional film set, you just can't have any of these problems. And that's why I've bought all of these drives. And the beauty of them is that they're also really good in things like Mac Minis. So if you get the extra dock that you can sit your Mac Mini on top of, it also has a space to put in an SSD. So this just slots straight in there, and then you improve the performance of your Mac. If you have an inferior SSD in your Mac Mini or any computer, then it will slow down the whole of your computer, because whenever it's trying to access files inside your hard drive, if it's not a nice fast SSD like this one, then it will just be chugging along. So you might have a really powerful computer and it's not getting the performance that you expect it to. The problem could be that you just don't have a good enough drive. So I'd highly recommend getting a drive like this one in order to improve your workflow. Gaming as well, if you want to have more games installed on your hard drive, you can have something like this. And yeah, that's why I've bought 5 now. And I'll keep getting this one if I need any more.